Hey, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a common error in WordPress, and the error is error establishing a database connection. And this is what the error will look like, and it's just a simple message of error establishing a database connection, which means your website cannot connect to your database. It means your website cannot connect to your database. This, if we go into our WordPress theme and open up WP config. If you go down to the MySQL settings, the most common cause is that these details are not matching the details of your database. So it's best to log into your hosting provider and checking that all the database details are correct. So the database name, username, so I've put that as Nath, which is wrong, it's currently root. Make sure the password is correct, and make sure the database host is at localhost or whatever is defined by your hosting provider. So if I save that now and go back onto the website, refresh, the website will work. So that's the most common fix for error establishing database connection. If that doesn't work, you can always try going to the root of your website and go to WP content and just rename the plugins folder. And you can just put like Z's in front of it, so the plugins folder will no longer be active, which means no plugins will be active. So if it works after doing that, then it's one of your plugins and you have to disable them one by one until the error goes. So that's another way you'll be able to fix this problem, but the main issue is your database details are incorrect. So once they have the right database details, that error should be fixed. If the two other ways didn't work for you, it's worth checking with your hosting provider and making sure your database server isn't down, because that could be another reason why the website is having issues connecting to the database. Hope you found this quick video helpful in fixing the error of establishing a database connection in WordPress. If you found this video useful, feel free to click that like button.